watching Lango News channel.
Africa this party discipline. Ame omedi jodi lobe. Kagwera lobo ino yemoko. Dongo mano yemoko dongo keten confirmation.
The dismissal of MP Oshan from UPC party is in the offing. Meanwhile, the sons of the late Bishop Emeritus of the Diocese of Lango have surprised the community by blocking a key road in Lira City. Welcome to Lango News channel. Now we look at the details. The Uganda Peoples Congress UPC Disciplinary Committee has confirmed the dismissal of Apac Municipality Member of Parliament Oshan Patrick from the party. The decision followed a disciplinary hearing held on July 18, 2025 at Uganda House and chaired by Patrick Ocan. The hearing was initiated after the party's deputy president petitioned the committee on July 11, 2025 to address complaints raised by UPC leaders in Apac district. During the session, Ojog Zulu, UPC chairperson for Apac district, accused MP Oshan of inciting chaos during the party structure elections held on June 12, 24th and 25th. He alleged that Oshan mobilized locals to disrupt the electoral process and bought alcohol to influence voters. Oshan was also accused of using a local radio station to call on people not registered with the party to vote without the knowledge or consent of the party leadership. MP Oshan denied the allegations and instead claimed that names of some legitimate voters were removed from the party register. However, the committee acknowledged the complaints brought against him and recommended his dismissal in line with demands from the Apac district party leadership. The committee has called on the UPC National Council to formalize MP Oshan's dismissal from the party. UPC party spokesperson Arachiyat Sharon said she had not yet received the official resolution from the disciplinary committee meeting. Patrick Ocan said Oshan is just waiting for the confirmation of their recommendation from the National Council, but he said that Oshan should have no hope. Other UPC members of parliament who are likely to face disciplinary actions are the member of parliament for Kole South, Peter Oshen Akalo, and the woman member of parliament for Oyam district, Santa Alum Ogwang. They have been accused of causing conflicts in the party grassroots elections. Residents and local leaders in Irada Shamba, Lira City East Division have reopened a key road that was blocked by the sons of the late Bishop Emeritus of Diocese of Lango, Utim Melchizedek. The road was blocked on Saturday, leading to an accident in which 2 people sustained injuries after crashing into stones that had been placed to obstruct the route. The injured individuals are currently receiving medical treatment, according to Utim Sam Uhuru, councillor for Irada West Ward. Local residents took matters into their own hands and cleared the road on Monday morning. He noted that those responsible for the blockage have not been seen since. The residents allege that the accused are claiming that the road passes through their titled land. Local elders shared that the road has existed since 1914, originally opened during the construction of Erute prisons. At that time, the prisoners used the road to access a Matafale bridge on Aduhu Road, where they made bricks for the construction of Erute prisons. The road remains a critical link to Soroti Road, Aduku Road, and other key transport routes in the area. Thank you for watching. I am Denish Ongora. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.